So guys, today I'm going to show you how to copy over an entire worksheet on Excel. There are two ways to do it. So here we have our set of data. This is the product, our price bought, price sold, and the profit. So the first way is you want to click this icon on the top left hand side here to select all the data. What this will do, you can see it's highlighted, so therefore you know it's selected. And now on your keyboard, you want to do the copy function, which is Control C. You know you've done it because you've now got this dotted line going around the edge. Now, if you open up a new tab, which is here, this is how you open up a new tab, the little plus sign in the bottom. And then the same process, you just click the tab here, the icon on the top left. That will select everything. But now instead of copying, you want to be pasting. So Control V is how you do that. And you see here from the two sheets, they're completely identical as I've copied it over. Now if you delete that, delete the old sheet from before. Now what you want to do, this is the second way to do it. If you just go to the tab name at the bottom, right click, and you'll be given these options. If you click move or copy, then click create a copy, just tick this box down here, and then click OK. Then we have exactly the same process where it has copied it. This is how you do it onto the same workbook. If you wanted to copy onto a different workbook that you're currently working on, it's exactly the same process. You just right click move or copy, create a copy, but instead of clicking OK, you go up here to this drop down and then you select the book that you're working on. In my case, I don't have a book open, so I'll just click new book. That will open up a new worksheet for me and then click OK. And here you'll find this one is called book 5, whereas my original one is book 1. Therefore, it's been copied over. And that is how you copy an entire worksheet on Excel.